I'm with Steve Alfers, CEO of Pershing Gold. It's an emerging gold producer in Nevada here at the BMO Metals Mining Conference. Steve, good to have you first time on the show. Welcome, welcome.
Well, thank you, Danielle. I'm looking forward to this opportunity to tell you a little bit about Pershing Gold Corporation.
Absolutely. What can we expect from the company? I know you're looking to get into production. What's the timeline for you guys?
Well, we're on a timeline, fairly short timeline. We have an existing fully permitted processing facility that has been built and designed for the ores of the Relief Canyon deposit. We've been advancing that deposit, increasing and upgrading it since 2012. We're getting close to that decision about the startup of the mine. So this year, what I expect to see is the results from our very extensive 2015 drilling program incorporated into our 43-101 compliant resource. We'll follow that with preliminary economic analysis this year, and we'll make the decision about the startup.
Well, could you give us a resource update? How many ounces of gold do you think you're sitting on there?
Right now, what we have compliant is measured, indicated, and inferred of about 815,000 ounces. That's based on drilling prior to 2015. In 2015, we had extensive drilling, all with core, fairly close-spaced drilling in order to upgrade the quality of that resource. I expect to add some ounces, and I expect to increase the in-pit ounces. With a feasibility study, I expect to see us with reserves by mid-year.
So what has the interest been like here at the BMO Metals and Mining Conference?
Well, the industry's picking up right now, and so we've got a little lift in the gold prices that is very significant, especially for smaller companies starting up. And so there's a lot of interest here.
Well, I was going to say this company was started in 2012, but you have extensive background in the mining industry. So what do you feel about the sentiment this year in the mining space? Is it different to, let's say last year, 5 years ago?
Oh, I feel a very different sentiment right now. And it's mainly back because, if you just in comparison to last year, we had that seasonal window open in early 2015 and closed right up. This year we seem to have fundamentals that are lying behind the gold price. Extensive demand, and it's a real nice indicator to see that in Canadian dollars or in euro, the gold price is very healthy. In the U.S., we're seeing gold, in spite of the strong dollar, we're seeing gold head up toward $12.50, probably go higher. These are very good prices to restart this whole process.
Well, how about for the juniors? It's been a very rough couple of years. A lot of them have been flushed out of the system, let's say. Do you think that gives room for optimism here in the junior mining space?
I think so. I think we're looking at a lot of good projects out there. There's a lot of value out there everywhere, including with Pershing Gold, in my view. And so for juniors, it's very important for them to have access to capital, because we only create shareholder value by putting money into the ground. That's what we do. And so we've had headwinds now for a couple of years that are strong. And so I say get ready, get out there, cash up, and go to work.
All right, Steve, good thoughts from you. Best of luck in 2016. Thanks for joining us.
I appreciate it very much.
And thank you for watching our coverage here from the BMO Metals and Mining Conference. Thank you for watching.